Okay guys, so I know everybody's freaking out about the quarantine, especially my small business owners, but so far during the quarantine, I have saved over $3,000 from my business and my business has made money. So if you're not doing these couple of things, you should be. What's up everybody? It's your girl Tiffany N Benson, aka Lady Arabella, and this is an episode of Business Goals. So today we're going to talk about a couple things. I'm going to talk about 3 ways that your business could either be saving money or making money during this quarantine. I know that the quarantine is a tough time for everybody, and my heart goes out to every single person. But there is a way to kind of get through this, and I want to make sure that you guys know these things and know how to plan for when the next thing happens, because as you guys know, it's the way of the world. There's always going to be something that happens. The other thing I want to talk about is I have decided to put together a stimulus package for all of my Arizona small business owners and out-of-state small business owners. So I will tell you guys that about how I'm going to do that at the end of this video, and it is going to be good for 250 business owners, because I want to make sure that once we get cracking again, once the economy is going again, everybody is making money. So let's do this. So tip number 1. Now guys, when everything first started and everybody said we were quarantined, the first thing I thought of were my businesses, my small businesses that I consult. I was so super nervous for them. And I called one of them, or one of them called me, and the first thing I said was, "Are you okay?" And she just kind of chuckled and she said, "Yeah, I mean, I've worked with you for years and you taught me that my business should be making money at least 3 ways. So can't make money one way, it'll make money the other 2 ways." She's like, "No biggie." I literally, like a tear came to my eyes. It was like watching your baby hop up from crawling and just run down the street. I was like, you go, boo, you go. So that's tip number 1. Make sure your business is making money in different ways. So right now, if you didn't make sure that it could do that in the beginning, now start looking at, okay, well, how can you make money in different ways for your business? Whether it be social media, which we do a social media class every 3 months. We're going to be doing a small one this month, or sorry, in April, so that it can get businesses prepared that weren't prepared for this. But ramp up your social media. You should be making money through YouTube. You should be making money through Instagram. And you should be making money by selling your products online. If you can't sell them in person, do them online. If you are a service, show something about that service online through a YouTube video, a how-to or something like that. You could be making money for your business right now. Tip number 2, power of negotiation. Right now, all your business insurances, all of your internet services, all of those different companies you can be saving money on. So far in the past 3 days, I have saved over $3,000 for my company Arabella. 1, my internet service is cheaper now. My insurances for my business insurance and for my car insurance are all cheaper now. And also all of my vacations and all of my business trips that I have planned, I now have them put or rescheduled through hotels.com at a cheaper rate. So over the course of this next year, over $3,000. And it's only been like 3 days, y'all. So we might have that number up a little bit higher. So tip number 3, the last thing you should be doing is putting together a plan for how you're going to move your business forward. Right now, like I said, hotels and different things like that are cheaper. So a lot of the business owners that watch my channel do a lot of live events, and you guys have raffles and giveaways. One of the cool things that you can do right now is hop on hotels.com, find the fanciest 4-star hotel you can find, and book it. Because you can book it without having to pay for it right now, and I'm pretty sure, I can almost guarantee you because I've already done it twice, but that hotel is going to be about almost 70% cheaper than it would be if you were to book it and it wasn't a crisis. So now when you're doing your raffle prizes, you can say you can have this raffle basket full of prizes as well as a 1-stay vacation at this 4-star hotel. All you have to do is purchase a product, give you a raffle ticket. So that is going to make your booth way more exciting than anybody else's. You can do the same thing with online businesses. You can do the same thing with in-person businesses that are brick and mortar too as well. So think of creative ways on how you're going to be moving your business forward, because right now everything is cheaper. So make sure you're doing that. And for the final tip, because you guys know I like a bonus tip, so now there's going to be 4. Really take a look at how your business is structured and where you are losing money on your business. Right now, a lot of people are having all of their staff work from home, and as you notice, people are working. There's different ways you can communicate, whether it be Zoom for conference meetings, whether it be Facebook, whether it be social medias, all that. You can connect with your staff and you can keep your staff going just like you're running your office, because you're doing it now. So why on God's green earth are you paying so much for a building? Especially if you don't have a building that clients come to visit and it's just you and your staff going there every day and you guys are on the phone or on the computers. Think about making your business work from home, or see where you're losing money at. Can you have some of your employees work from home? Can you have shorter business hours and have some business hours be work from home, some business hours be work from the office? Think about all these different things, because electricity costs, buildings costs, water costs, internet costs, all those different costs you are occurring every day as a business owner. So now you have to see where your company is bleeding, so that when you have a crisis, you're not bleeding in all these different areas for your business. There's a plan. So don't forget to plan for the next crisis, because there probably will be one. So as you guys know, I own Arabella Marketing and PR. It is a marketing and PR firm for small businesses. So I focus on being able to help small businesses grow and develop and market and expand their brands. So I have a show called Showcase of the Arts Fashion and Beauty Expo. Our next one is coming up May 3rd, and it's going to be a live event. So everybody's coming out of quarantine and everybody's coming to watch the fashion show and shop. So one of the things that I want to do is, I know that not every business owner is going to be able to buy a booth space for our event, nor do we have a ton more booth space left for this event. So I want to offer 250 business owners free tickets to the show. It's going to be 2 free tickets, business owner and another business owner, or a business owner and a staff, to where you can come out and hand out flyers for your business and network with people. One of the things that people are realizing is that their businesses right now are not strong enough for this crisis, because they have no network built. There's no social media platform. There's no email list. There's nobody to talk to. So right now their businesses are just dying because they didn't focus on knowing people. So I want to offer 250 business owners 2 tickets to the expo. These are going to be free tickets. All you have to do is email me below. All I ask is that you guys post a link to our Facebook page and tag 5 people in it. And I will put you on the list for 2 free tickets, and you can come and hand out any type of marketing material, whether it be a flyer, whether it be a business card, whether it be a buy one, get one free for your next service, whatever you guys want to do. You can hand them out in person and meet more people in Arizona. So I hope this helps you guys. I hope that you guys are not going crazy during this quarantine, because there is a way out of this. We're all going to get through it, and you guys are going to come out of this stronger, because you're going to understand exactly what your business is lacking and what you need to add to it. So until next time, stay strong, guys. Wash your hands. Fly high, my Bella butterflies.